We heavily rely on animal agriculture for food, but we also rely on water to survive. An estimated 8 billion livestock animals raised in the United States use half of the water that is consumed in our country. This water is to hydrate the animals and to grow crops to feed livestock. Livestock require massive quantities of food during their lifetimes. Of 330 million acres of agricultural land in the U.S., 260 acres are used to provide feed for livestock. If the farming of these crops is done incorrectly, pesticides and fertilizer may contaminate the water and end up in streams, rivers, and groundwater. The U.S. EPA determined in a 2000 National Water Quality Inventory that 40% of rivers and streams are damaged, making agriculture the leading cause of water pollution. And since livestock production requires nearly 80% of the agriculture, which is polluting the waterways, we can say that animal agriculture is the main cause of water issues. Unfortunately, water pollution is not only through fertilizers and pesticides. Another cause is from the animal's manure or fecal matter. Animals produce 500 million tons of manure a year. That is roughly 12.5 million semi-trucks. Because animals are kept in confined spaces in farms and AFOs, animal feeding operations, they create a very concentrated area of waste. Animal agriculture and farming fertilizers release a great source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These can potentially affect the health of humans and wildlife. The main source of nitrogen and phosphorus in surface and groundwater is manure. The excess of these nutrients are the cause of algal blooms. Algal blooms is algae that is formed in water, and it can kill fish due to the lack of oxygen. High levels of nitrates not only make water taste bad, but it also causes blue baby syndrome, which can be fatal to babies. Manure can contain antibiotics, hormones, and pathogens such as E. coli and Salmonella. In order to treat this water, it undergoes a combined water system, which cleans it, but it's not enough to fix the situation. However, in-depth studies should be made to ensure that wastewater from animal agriculture is utilized as efficiently as possible, and new controls and processes are developed and implemented to ensure highest quality of water and minimize waste. Thank you.